What's up, y'all? It's your girl K Stu, and I am back. It's April 1st. I am going to make a commitment to myself. I'm also going to make a commitment to my Black Swan Network team, and I'm going to make a commitment to kCharles Couture. I'm going to post every single day in April. Period. No ifs, ands, or buts. We're going to get on here. We're going to be sewing. We're going to be talking. We're going to be doing something. But guess what we're going to be doing? I'm going to be posting. And hopefully you're going to be watching. So listen, this is what I want to talk to y'all about tonight. Because y'all know it's April Fool's Day. And this is not a joke. Like, this is for real, for real, for real. So here's what I want to discuss. My YouTube channel. Have y'all seen this right here? Listen, I want y'all to see something. This is me 9 years ago.
Hey family, welcome to So Easy with Shelby and Gabby. I'm your host, Kate Stewart, and my mission is to show you funny, easy designs that you can do from home. So grab some fabric and get you some scissors and let's get started. Today's project is going to be a viewer's choice, and it's a really cute top which also can be worn as a dress. And what better way to start this journey than to give the viewers exactly what they want? So make sure you hit the subscribe button at the bottom and come back weekly and looking for different videos. Also, make sure you hit the link for the Facebook page, and that way you can send me in your viewer's choice. And I'm not. And then here, like I said, you can use your tape measure as you want. You want to make sure, like I said, mine is going to go to 39, and I'm going to use my tape measure also as a guide.
Y'all, when I look at that video, let me tell you what I see in that video. I see strength. I see courage. I see someone just starting out. I see confidence. Like, I was confident in what I was sewing. Now, I'm going to tell y'all right now, because I remember when I sewed that top. I remember picking that top, getting that top picked out from my Facebook group. They were like, no, do this top right here. That's too cute. I remember doing that. There was no pattern. At that time, I was only doing patterns using clothes that I currently have in my closet. And I was nervous because I had no idea how that was going to turn out. And I kept saying to myself, no matter what goes on, finish the video, finish the video, finish the video. So those are the things that were going through my mind. So if y'all didn't see that, then I feel real good about it. All right, let's play a little bit more.
That you can pin it. And you want to do it for the sides as well. Don't forget your sides as well. Fold it over twice so you get a nice finished edge.
Okay, so listen, I am impressed with myself. I'm going to give myself a little toot, because guess what? What a lot of people didn't know about that video was, in that video, I had just moved into a basement apartment. Like, my son had just graduated, my second son had just graduated high school, and I had to find something that I could afford because he was going to college. And at the time, my ex-husband and I, we were not together. We were co-parenting. So during the co-parent, as mothers, we start thinking like, oh my God, my baby got to go to school. What do I need to do to cut down some costs so that I can take care of this if anything happens? So this is when I started my YouTube journey. This was during the time when I started my YouTube journey. So 9 years ago, I made this video. It has like 1,600 views on it. That's how many views it got back then. Like, I'm going to say maybe 40 of them might be currently, because I've been kind of like watching that video. Like, I've gone back, I've referenced that video. So there's probably a few tags of me in it. I mean, there's probably a few tags that made the views go up. But honestly, 1,600 people watched that video. And I was nervous as heck. Nervous as heck. But I was determined not to quit. That was my mission, not to quit. My mission is to show people how to sew garments that you see on TV that you may want for affordable price in your own home. That was my mission. That's been my mission forever. It's still my mission to this day. kCharles Couture is about creating fashions that you've seen on TV or that you've thought about in your head that are made for you, all done at an affordable price from home. That's my mission. So that's what I continue to do. But anyway, y'all, I gotta tell you, I was really impressed with this video. Let me tell you some things I've changed since 9 years ago. 9 years ago, I was using a bedroom for that video. You can see there's no blinds or anything on the curtain because I was trying to get all the light in. I had to make sure that I sold any videos or did any recordings in the daytime because, again, there was no selfie lights back then. There was no, and I couldn't afford to get the big lights and stuff like this. So a friend of mine told me, he was like, hey, Kate, you can go to the hardware store, Home Depot, and you can grab some bulbs, high wattage bulbs, and use those when you're videoing. Your lighting will be so much better. And I did do that. So you'll see later on, maybe a few years or something after that, you'll see that my lighting gets better. And I do talk about it in the videos that my lighting is better. Another thing has changed is, listen, y'all not, I don't know if y'all gonna believe me or not, but that was a piece of cardboard. That was that cardboard cutting mat that I was using. But guess what, y'all? There was no other cutting mat. That was it. Like, that was what I was using. I was also using a folding table. That was a folding table under that cardboard mat. Again, there was no selfie sticks and no selfie cameras at the time. So I was using my laptop to video myself and try to video what was going on. So a lot has changed since 9 years in my YouTube channel. Of course, a lot of things have changed on my YouTube channel. The platform has gotten much larger. I've changed my brand. So it's not even so easy with Shelby and Gabby anymore. It's now kCharles Couture. And if you haven't seen that video, then I'll let you know what that video is about. What I did was I changed it to kCharles Couture because I wanted to start branding myself. And for me, I thought So Easy with Shelby and Gabby was a great brand for teaching. But I didn't think it was a great brand for people to be wearing. Like, I don't see you going into and I'm gonna say like Target, Walmart. I don't see you going into Joann's. I don't see you going into Steve Madden and asking for a So Easy with Shelby and Gabby. But you know what? Now that I kind of said it, it sounded kind of cute. What y'all think? So Easy with Shelby and Gabby. Would that be a brand that you would go and look for in the store? Like, if that was a boutique, would you shop there? Y'all got me thinking about changing back to So Easy with Shelby and Gabby. And with all that being said, again, this is the reason why I'm doing the video. Because I want people to know why I started my YouTube channel in the very first place. And I thought this would be a great video to start the month of April off with. People can understand and they'll see why I'm trying to go where I'm going with this. Now, here's what I need you all to do. Y'all know it's always like a catch or something at the end, right? It's always some type of catch. What y'all want? Okay, well, first I want y'all to subscribe and pay $2.99 a month and not watch any of my channel, watch any of my videos, anything, but just pay me $2.99 a month. Okay, I'm just joking. April Fool's Day. Okay, no, but here's what I really need you to do. I need you to go on my page. I need you to hit that subscribe button. Then I need you to hit the link and actually watch the video for me. Listen, I need a few hours, y'all. I need a few more hours on my YouTube channel in order to be monetized. Now, y'all know what that means. That means that monetize means that's going to allow brands to see me. That's going to allow me to open myself up a little bit more to different brands and say, hey, listen, this is what I'm doing. I would love to use your products. I would like your products. And then I also get like a monetary value for doing what I love to do. It's a win-win because guess what? I don't need you to pay me no money. I mean, you can though. Like, I mean, probably eventually I'll probably get one of those subscribe channels or something where people will be, like, you know, get my membership and all that. But I'm not doing that right now. Right now, my channel is open and available for everyone. If you want to learn how to sew, if there's someone you know who wants to learn how to sew, if there's something you need sewn, hit me up. Hit me in my DMs. I'm definitely, they're open. I won't say my DM's open. I won't say that because that sounds kind of bad. Hit me in my DM. Let me know what it is that you need, and I'll let you know if I can help you out in that service. Most likely I can, but if I can't, then I'll let you know that as well. And again, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in. This is day one. I'm gonna see y'all again tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm actually gonna be trying to do like a because I do work. Let me just say this. Now, my vlogging is only going to start after 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. Well, every other Friday I'm off. Monday through Friday, you're only going to see me after 4:30. I get off of work at 3:30, but I need like a little hour or something to kind of just like detox from my workplace and then start working about my kCharles Couture. So about 4:30 is when this starts. Like, I'm not doing anything before then because I don't need anyone like, oh, she supposed to have been working and she on here vlogging. So I'm not going to be doing that. Now, if I go to lunch and I go hit Joann's or Hobby Lobby, y'all know I'm going to cut the video on. I'm going to cut the video on so that I have footage for that day. But there won't be anything really done until after 4:30. So I just want y'all to know my timeline, my window, because I will be going live in April as well. I do not know exactly what days I'm going to be going live, but I will be making posts, and you'll know when I'm going to go live that day. And most of the time when I go live, it's going to be like 6 or 7 o'clock. I want to be consistent with my time. I don't want my timeline when I'm going live to be like all over the place. But I will let everyone know well in advance when I'm going to go live. But I do plan to go live in April, along with making these videos. So that's part of my commitment that I'm making to myself and my sewing network, my sewing community. Now, here's one fun thing that we get to work on in April, and that was actually on my calendar that we talked about in January, and I told you about my Make 9, Do More in 24. So in my calendar for April, I put in like 2 weeks time slot to start prepping for my Frock Tales in Chicago. Now, Frock Tales in Chicago are doing, I think they're doing like a Harlem Nights theme. So I haven't really decided what dress I'm going to make yet. But y'all know I'm going to make it do what it, baby, I'm going to make it do what it do. I think I'm going to even do the little crazy, little cute little bob. I think I'm going to go get a little bob wig and do it. I mean, it's going to be cute. But anyway, so I have to prep this month of April for my outfit in Chicago, for Chicago Frock Tales. So I'm looking forward to that, and I'm looking forward to taking you all on that journey with me. Now, I will not show you the finished product that I'm going to be using, that I'm going to be wearing for Frock Tales, because I want that to be a surprise for everyone until I get there. But I will show you the process that I'm going through. I'll even tell you what pattern I'm using and even show you the material, but I'm not going to actually show you the final piece, because again, I want that to be a surprise. I want you to see it when everybody else sees it. So I won't be doing that, but we will be doing that outfit this month. This month, I can't remember what else I'm supposed to be doing this month, but believe that I have been working and I've been staying committed to my Make 9 calendar. If y'all remember in January, I told you I was going to be doing zipper pockets. I was going to be doing pockets, zipper flies, and waistbands. I think I have mastered the zipper pocket. The zipper fly. That if I see that on it, I don't even look at the pattern. I know how to put a zipper fly in now. On my own, I got my own method, and boom, boom, boom. It go just like this. The stuff look good, and the waistbands look good. I'm loving everything that I'm doing. February, I worked on lapels and collars and linings. So I did some really cute tops in February that I had from Black History Month. His name is Byron Lars. Go back and check that video. I'll put the link to that in here as well. With that link to that one, go look at that. And you'll see all the cute little tops I made with that. We did a Black History thing where we kind of recreated some pieces from Black History icons like Diana Ross. Y'all know I love me some Diana Ross. Y'all know I love Diana Curl. So I did some things for that. That was in February. Because again, I'm still working on the things that I'm trying to get better at. And for me, that was collars, lapels. And when I tell you, I made the cutest little button-up shirt. I think I'll pop a picture in right here. Y'all, love that top. I love the top so much that I've determined that I'm not going to buy another button-up again from the store. Unless it's just something I see and I know I can't make it like that fast, I'll go ahead and buy it. But Express, I'm sorry, but you've lost the customer, because I'm now making my own shirts. And I love them. Because I'm making them for me, by me, the way I want, in the color. Listen, If you don't know how to sew and you want to learn how to sew, go ahead and check this link. Hit the link down at the below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the videos that I'm going to be posting for you every single week. Well, actually, this month I'm going to be posting every single day. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a great night. Peace.